Engine stopped, of course, the manifold pressure is atmospheric and there's no revs and there's no fuel flow. And the exhaust gas temperature will slowly die because there's no heat coming from the engine. But right now, if we put the mixture back to rich and then we prime the engine, so I push the right prime button, you should see, so we're priming now. The left button doesn't work, which is really annoying. And then when you're ready to go, just a little bit of throttle and you push the start buttons here. So left start first, there we go. And then the right start, there we go. So those both brakes are still on. So, well, I have to say, I just have to add while you're running, is if you do this with a cold engine, and if you start X-Plane from scratch and do a cold start, at this time the engines sound like a real can of worms when they're cold.
Oh, really?
They've actually modelled that, yes. But as it warms up, because we're running warm now, so all the head temperatures, oil pressure, everything's up. But if it all starts cold, it really does sound like a can of worms. It sounds dreadful, but it does warm up quite quickly, and I think that's trying to emulate what's going on in the real world. So just going on from that, the alternator switches down here work. So if I clear the left alternator, the left ammeter's stopped and you've got an alternator warning light. The other thing, if I clear the right alternator at the same time, there's now no current going to the battery at all. So if I do that, so the battery's now, and you see what's happened to the voltmeter, it's dropped.
So we have a pull switch.
Yeah. Just makes everything stop.
Everything's frozen in time. And again, to
started.